Hey guys, how's everybody doing? Welcome to one more video. I'm really glad that you're stopping by to see this equipment. It's been very expensive, and I bet it's not just for me, it's for a lot of people. So in this video, I'm going to make a makeshift studio lighting equipment. Let's see how it goes. All right, so first and foremost, we need a powerful lamp. Here we have a 45-watt Black & Decker LED white lamp. And this is also important because I saw that there were lamps that were more powerful, but it would emit less lumens that would make it light up the ambient a bit less. So I thought this was the best one I could find. We have some cabling. We have a switch to power it on and off. We have the socket for the lamp, and we have the plug for electricity. Here's our switch. Here is our socket for the lamp. So let's start with this thing going in here. Okay, so we're gonna use the cutting pliers. You gotta be careful not to, of course, not to cut the wire. And so make sure you get a cable that is nice and thick. Although LED lamps don't pull much power, you don't want to risk anything. This cable is more than enough, has more than enough thickness to it. Go. Okay. Just need to put these two in place. And then set with this. It's all in place. I should tighten this a bit. There we go. All right, so this tip is done. Now we should put this close to the light bulb all the way up to the lamp so that it's not dangling on the floor when we use it. There we go. All right. There we go. All right, so there we go. We have one of the cables passing through, and we have the other one split, so we can make a current or not, a flowing current. Okay, so now I have to make this fit here somehow. Well, not great. I think it'll work. This should be the last part. One of those multi-screws, Phillips and regular screwdriver. Okay. And then we'll go here. Let's split this up and cap it. All of a sudden it's political. First, we need to stick it in through here. All right. Wait, I made a mistake. I should have tied a little knot in there so I wouldn't be able to pull it away. So yeah, I'm gonna go back and do that because that is insurance that a wire is not gonna come out and shock anyone. You do this because when you pull on the cable, you won't be pulling directly on the contacts. You pull on the knot. Now, let's get our lamp here and try it out and see how it does in the lighting of the studio. Now, the theory behind getting one of these lamps is that the plastic around it is sort of milky, so it'll already diffuse some of the light for the studio. I don't know how well that theory is going to do. There we go. Holy, that's right. Holy crap. Holy, yeah, but it works. Plugged in, off, perfect. Now, what I'm going to do is mount it into something like this so that I can make it usable. It would be cool if I could mount it and still use it with an umbrella or something. And for that, I need this. Put this thing in here. This is for the umbrella. The umbrella goes in here. So let's try this here. This one. Let's try to use this huge one right here. Here we go. This. There we go. Oh, I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to use the umbrella here. There's a little piece of wood here. Stick this in here, like that. And there it is turned on. There we go. So I can also use that to reflect if I needed to. And, all right, pretty happy with that. Hope you guys enjoyed that. We went from this to this, and I bet it's a lot more clear for you. And this is very important because I've been trying to make my videos more and more with the cell phone camera, just because it's a lot more practical than carrying a big camera and a bunch of lenses. So hopefully this will improve the image quality a lot in the smartphone camera. Lighting is just so important, and if you're dealing with low budget equipment, lighting is something that you can get really cheap, like the light stand you just saw here, and it makes a hell of a lot of a difference. And if you can't invest in camera equipment or a really good smartphone to make your home movies, your YouTube videos, whatever, maybe you should invest in some cheap lighting, and that'll make your videos look a lot better. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time.